to show you how to do a paper windmill. We are going to need a glue, scissors, straw, a pin, a ball of paper and a cardboard. This also could be a paper. So the first thing you need to do is to transform the cardboard in a square cardboard. For that we're going to fold it as it's shown in the video. So this part of the cardboard we're going to cut it. Now we need to bend it in the other direction. Now we need to find the middle of each side. And for that we're going to bend the corners, but just to make a line here. Now we need to cut from the corner to the middle of the side. Now you have to put glue in the center. And you bend one side of the corner to paste it. Hold the paper until it center of the cardboard with the pin. Now it's finished.